Mobile devices have become an essential part of our daily lives, and with that comes the need for security. Hacking has become a significant concern, and three of the most powerful tools used for mobile devices are Metasploit, XHunter, and MSPY. Metasploit is a powerful tool used in penetration testing and ethical hacking. It was first developed in 2003 by H.D. Moore and is now maintained by Rapid7. Metasploit is an open-source framework that provides a platform for developing, testing, and executing exploits against a target system. The tool is used to identify vulnerabilities in a system and to test the effectiveness of the security measures in place. Metasploit can be used to launch attacks against a variety of systems, including web applications, networks, and operating systems. It provides a wide range of payloads and exploits that can be used to gain access to a target system. Metasploit is a powerful tool that is widely used by security professionals to identify vulnerabilities and test the effectiveness of security measures. It provides a platform for developing, testing, and executing exploits against a target system. With its wide range of payloads and exploits, Metasploit is an essential tool in the arsenal of any ethical hacker or security professional. XHunter RAT is a remote access Trojan, RAT, for Android devices that allows the attacker to control the victim's device remotely. It is typically used for spying, stealing personal information, and performing other malicious activities. Once installed on the victim's device, XHunter RAT can perform a variety of functions, including recording phone calls, taking screenshots, accessing files and photos, and even controlling the device's camera and microphone. The attacker can also use XHunter RAT to send text messages and make phone calls from the victim's device, without the victim's knowledge or consent. To use XHunter RAT, the attacker first needs to infect the victim's device with the malware. This can be done through various methods, such as phishing emails, malicious links, or even physical access to the device. Once the malware is installed, the attacker can then connect to the victim's device remotely and begin controlling it. In summary, XHunter RAT is a dangerous malware that can be used to control Android devices and steal personal information remotely. It is important for users to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect their devices from such attacks, such as avoiding suspicious links and emails and installing reputable antivirus software. The MSPY app is a phone tracking application that allows users to monitor the activity on a target device. It is commonly used by parents to keep an eye on their children's online behavior and by employers to monitor their employees' phone usage during work hours. The app can track calls, messages, social media activity, and even GPS location. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices and can be installed remotely. To use the MSPY app, users must first purchase a subscription and then install the app on the target device. Once installed, the app runs in the background and remains undetected by the device user. The user can then log in to their MSPY account from any device with an internet connection to view the tracked data. The app also offers features such as keyword alerts and geofencing, which allow users to receive notifications when certain keywords are used or when the target device enters or exits a designated area. The MSPY app is a powerful tool for phone tracking that offers a range of features for monitoring target devices. While it can be a useful tool for parents and employers, it is important to use it responsibly and with respect for privacy. With the increasing number of cyber attacks, it is important to protect yourself from malicious software such as Metasploit, XHunter, and MSPY. To protect yourself from these threats, it is important to keep your software up to date and install security patches as soon as they become available. It is also recommended to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading apps from untrusted sources. Additionally, consider using a reputable antivirus software that can detect and remove malicious software from your device. Regularly scan your device for malware and remove any suspicious files or apps. By following these simple steps, you can protect yourself from the dangers of Metasploit, XHunter, and MSPY. Stay vigilant and stay safe in the ever-evolving world of cyber threats. Thanks for watching.